Hi everyone! In this video we will do a little experiment in which we compare using coco coir and potting soil as a growing medium. Which will give the best result and why? Stay tuned, by the end of this video you'll know. For this experiment we use red radish microgreen seed. We filled up the first tray with potting soil and the second tray with coco coir. We use 34 grams of seed for the coco coir tray and 31 grams of seed for the potting soil tray. This was supposed to be similar, but I spilled a little and I did not have more laying around. We spread the seed over the trays using a salt shaker. Throughout the process, we will treat both trays in the same way as we always do. We check on them twice a day, give them water at least in the mornings, and put them back in blackout and underneath the light as soon as they're ready. Alright, here we go. Both trays got the seed and are put in way down, using equal amounts of weight on top. On day 1 there was nothing to see yet, as usual. Day 2 gave us a little surprise. The seeds from the potting soil tray appeared to be a lot faster in their germination compared to the seeds from the coco coir tray. Day 3 only confirms this, see for yourself. The potting soil tray shows lots of roots, while the coco coir tray hardly shows any. It starts to look like the tray with potting soil was sown a day ahead of the tray with coco coir. Day 4 is very clear. The potting soil tray needs to go into blackout. The coco coir tray is not ready for this yet. On day 5 the difference looks extreme. This is not really true because the potting soil tray has been in blackout for a day already and thereby gave the microgreens the space to stand up. So this day is not representative for anything. Day 7. Both of the trays are now underneath the light. The potting soil already for 2 days, the coco coir just had 1. The tray with the potting soil still stays ahead of the coco coir tray. It stays that way until harvest day, which is day 9. Now we will harvest both trays, which both show signs of the true leaf stage. Let's see what the difference in yield will be, if there is any. The first tray we will harvest is the coco coir tray. The yield for this tray was 167.5 grams. Let's see how the potting soil tray did. The yield for this tray was 197.5 grams. Given the fact that the potting soil tray already started with a lower amount of seed, which was 3 grams less, it becomes obvious that the potting soil did much better than the coco coir. The potting soil gave a yield of 6.37 grams per gram of seed used, while this was just 4.93 for the coco coir. Now that's a big difference. For me the choice is obvious, so be prepared. Lots of our upcoming videos will be with potting soil, which is also easier to get than coco coir. What will be your choice? Thanks for watching.